The sun climbs high over the Mekong. Fresh linen, new spirit, heart open wide. Saffron robes move through the temple gates. Incense smoke carries our gratitude upward. Wash the dust of the old year from the stone. I see my grandmother smiling by the altar. 7 generations standing right behind her. We manifest peace in every single grain of rice. No stress today, we leave the weight at the door. The rhythm of the future on a foundation of ancient wisdom. Suicide should've made, let the water fall. Wash it all away. New energy rising, we standing tall. From the Wat to the street, hear the people call. From the Wat to streets, hear the people call. Blessed beginnings, we giving it our all. Throw the tune, watch it sail across the yard. Laughter hitting like a percussion section. Ain't gun seeds clicking on the hard ground, the competibration. Splash the silver bowl, cooling down the heat. Community breathing like a single organism. Respect to the elders, water on the palms. We don't need status, we got family ties. The village vibe travels through the diaspora. Join the circle, move your hands like the lotus. Rambung rotation clockwise into the light. No beginning and no end to the movement. Faster now, catch the vibration. Move your feet. No beginning and no end to the movement. Faster now, catch the vibration. Move your feet, catch the heat. Sewer stage should've made, let the water fall. Wash it all away. New energy rising, we standing tall. From the Wat to the street, hear the people call. From the Wat to streets, hear the people call. Blessed beginnings, we giving it our all. A new cycle starts today. Prosperity in every breath. Keep the culture alive. Final splash sound effect.